Man, it has been a minute. Holy. Yo, what is going on today, guys? It has been a long time since I took the BRZ out. It's been sitting in the garage for a couple weeks. It is completely covered in dust, and I haven't been driving it because my brakes have not been that great. I've noticed a lot of shuddering from it, so probably will be doing a pad and rotor swap soon. So my brakes actually look okay. It's kind of hard to tell, but they are shuddering and shaking quite a bit. So I probably will be doing a Brembo pad and rotor swap and install soon. So that video will be coming to the channel soon. So in the last little while, I have been driving the RS4 Avant, sitting right there, that was imported from Japan. Just brought it back from Calgary. It's been here for a couple weeks, so if you guys haven't seen the last video, check that out. That car is sick. I've been loving every second of driving that car. That thing's a beast. As for today's video, I got something kind of fun for you guys. If you guys haven't seen already on the channel, I did install an Amazon Underglow kit on this car right before winter. It's called the Amazon KORJO Underglow Kit, and it's actually really good for the price. It's actually pretty awesome. But one of my friends, he's got a 370Z, so we'll be installing Lowglow Underglow on his 370Z and making a cool comparison between this car and that car, and kind of showing is it worth it to go with an expensive kit like Lowglow, or maybe a budget kit like on Amazon, like the KORJO kit. Also realized I have barely given you guys driving clips or exhaust clips after this new valve catback setup, so we're going to be doing that today as well. Having a car that's like dialed in properly, because it doesn't matter if you take it out for a couple weeks or not. If you take it out the next time and the car feels good. So while we're on the way to my boy's house, let me know what you guys think about this exhaust. It's pretty loud with the valves fully open. If I close them like that, it's now a lot more quiet. I'm not sure how much you can tell on camera, but I'm not screaming anymore. Now I'm just talking at a somewhat normal volume. But yeah, it's pretty quiet. I can hear the supercharger a lot more. I don't think the supercharger comes across on camera, but like I've had friends in the car and they can hear it pretty well. I will be making some tweaks to this exhaust though. I think it needs a bigger resonator in the mid pipe. If you guys haven't seen the video from before, it's a fully custom valve catback, so the resonator placement and the resonator style was kind of just selected on the spot, so I'm gonna go get a fatter one put in. Definitely want to do the quad tip conversion, because you saw the rear bumper. I do have the TRD rear bumper lip. It's a replica, but we'll try to find the right quad tip fitment to make it look good. Oh, and I have found a good place to go get this car dynoed soon. Someone on Instagram messaged me a place that's pretty local to me. It's actually just a few minutes from my house, where I can go get the car dynoed, and they just did a baseline on their car, naturally aspirated stock header, so it'll be a really good reference to compare percentage gains for a NA car with, like, you know, pretty basic mods versus a supercharged BRZ. And so that video should be coming soon. Hopefully the next couple weeks, I book that out. I think that video should be pretty fun. I had some people asking me questions about how the boost gauge works on a supercharger setup. So as you can see, we're in negative PSI. That just means we're not a boost right now. And I'm just cruising. But if I just tip in a little bit, start making some boost, and it goes all the way up to like 9 PSI if I floor it. So that's just how it kind of works with the supercharger setup. There's a bit of traffic here, so I can't really show you guys what full boost looks like, but maybe later today we'll do that after the underglow install. This is gonna be the sickest underglow comparison video of all time, maybe. Got Imran's Eclipse, my BRZ. So we both have the Amazon KORJO Underglow Kit. So we're both rocking budget set. Kelvin's got the M2 and the BMW Z4 over there. Actually, he doesn't have underglow on this, but he's got Lowglow on that. Victor's installing Lowglow on his Z. Let's go check out what's happening here.
It's definitely quality, man.
You see the box?
Yeah, Lowglow's sick. I love it. Whoa. Yo, they come with a relay and everything.
Yo, and they signed it for you too?
Comes with a relay, it comes with a fuse.
That's pretty sick.
What's this? Scooby snacks? Oh, it comes with new Scooby snacks, right?
Yeah, and a bunch of stickers.
That's jokes.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Alright, excited to see what's happening here.
Yo,
what's up? if you guys can see, Ron's got his on, John's got his on, I got mine on, Kelvin's got his on, all in full rainbow road mode. Victor's is done. We're about to pull all the cars out and do a cool side-by-side comparison. Man, this rear angle is my favorite. You guys gotta see how we install this. It's like right under the bash bar, or right under the bumper bar behind the bumper. It's like blowing on, lighting up the exhaust, lighting up the ground real nice. That looks so sick. Another one has arrived.